Hello friends, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. I am Divya Agarwal and I am telling you about the new vacancy from of Kolkata. So there is a vacancy in St. Xavier University of Kolkata. You just have to type St. Xavier University in the Google bar. Look this. So you are directed to this page. You have to just click here St. Xavier University Kolkata. Now you came at the homepage of the St. Xavier University, Kolkata. Now you have to scroll down the website. In the right corner, you will see there is written recruitment. You have to click it here. Now look at here. There is written view recruitment details. So there is given you recruitment for the three faculty. First is Faculty of Commerce and Management. Second is Arts and Social Studies. Third is Law School. So let's see what is the eligibility, what is the requirement, and when you will get your interview. So let's see. First is Faculty of Commerce and Management. First vacancy is Associate Professor for the Commerce, as we have read already. So there is given you eligibility. First is as per UGC norms. Second is you should have master degree with 55% marks. If you don't have 55% marks, you should have 50% marks plus 2 and UG level. Third, you need PhD in the subject. Fourth, you need publication and guiding PhD and MPhil scholars are highly desirable. Fifth is you need 8-year experience of teaching. So let's see in the assistant professor. In the assistant professor, there is a specialization in the subject, a specialization in accounting and finance, a specialization in management, economics, and statistics. First, as per the UGC norms, taking master degree with 55% marks as is it is given in the associate professor, eligibility also. Now look at here, you do not need here experience and there is not given net or JRF mention. So you do not need net for this position. Next, Faculty of Arts and Social Studies. Same here is a three post: associate professor, assistant professor, and social work coordinator. Subject is here given to you: mass communication, economics, social work for the associate professor. There is also given you same eligibility like for the commerce given in the associate professor. Same eligibility is given to you and same is applied here. Now for the assistant professor, there is given you new subject, that is English. That is not given to you for the associate professor. So here you can apply for the assistant professor like subject English, mass communication. In the mass communication, you need a specialization audio visual journalism and economics. In economics also you need a specialization in finance. So there is also given you three. First is as per UGC norms. Second is master degree with 55% marks. Or if you do not have 55% marks, you need only 50% marks plus 2 plus UG level. Third is you need PhD in the subject or thesis submitting. Here you do not need any experience and you do not need any net or JRF. Third is social work coordinator. Here you need master degree in the social work with 55% marks or with 50% marks plus 2 and UG level. Here you need only 2-year experience. So next vacancy is for the law school for the associate professor and the assistant professor. Associate professor, there is the same eligibility like for the commerce and for the mass communication. For the assistant professor, there is given you specialization in the law. First is constitutional law, second is criminal law, third is private law, and fourth is procedural law. There is given you three requirements for this post. First is as per UGC norm, second same 55 degree. If you do not have 55% marks, so you can attain 50% marks. Third is PhD in the subject or thesis submitted. Let's see what is the condition is given to you if you do not have PhD. Kindly submit a proof of submission of PhD thesis issued by the appropriate authority. If you are at the completion of your PhD, So that means you can submit the proof of submission of your PhD thesis here. No need to worry about this. Upper age limit is given to you. First is for the associate professor 50 years, for the assistant professor 45 years. Now you have to fill the online application forms, and there is given you date of interview. It will be happen between the 20th July and 30th July. And there is given you last date for the online application is 20th June. So if you drop down, you will see here the online application link. You will click it here and you will redirect it to this page. Now look at here how to fill. You have to register first yourself. Like here you can fill anything like for whatever school you are applying. For the commerce management, arts, social studies or law school. Let's say you are applying for the commerce and management. For the position you are applying for the associate professor, assistant professor or social work. Let's say assistant professor. Next is subject or specialization. So you are applying for the commerce specialization in management. So you have to fill here like I'm writing my name here. So you have to write also Divya and your email. I'm writing here my email and that you can fill this. Your middle name, if you do not have, you don't fill. Your last name, I'm filling this. Your mobile number, your password, your date of birth, and confirmed password, and then you will register here. I hope this will give you more information about your post which you are applying for the associate professor or the assistant professor. Thank you. Like it, share it, and subscribe it.